Hi everyone, what's up? I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some products which I am loving of late, and these are like my product recommendations for the ongoing wedding season. If you guys are going to attend a wedding, I feel like these products are going to be so helpful for you all, and all of these makeup products are like a beautiful mix of neutrals to colorful options. And for today's video, I've partnered with Amazon to show you guys all of these beautiful and amazing products. You can check out amazing discounts and deals going on their website. So yes, without further ado, let's get started. So as I was mentioning already in the beginning, we have a lot of makeup products. So I'm going to start with lipsticks first, and make sure you guys stay tuned and watch this video till the end because we have a lot of product categories. So let's start with lipsticks. I have three beautiful lipsticks to share it with you guys, and all three of them are amazing neutral colors and they are very different from one another. So the first one is the Maybelline Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Shot, and this is such an amazing nude lipstick, guys. I feel like this is one of those My Lips but better kind of shade for me, and I would love to wear this shade when I'm wearing, those dark smoky eyes, especially with, like black smoky eyes. This would look really amazing. This isn't a very dark nude or a very dim nude. It's somewhere in between, and for my dusky skin beauties, this would be like a very extremely neutral shade, but for my light to medium skin beauties, this would be like a neutral shade, like somewhere in between kind of neutral shade. Also, since this is a liquid lipstick, this is going to last you really long as well. My second lipstick is from My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick range, and it's in the shade Boo, and it's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. And guys, this is such a beautiful lip shade. I think this is the kind of neutral shade which will suit all Indian skin tones, from light, medium, dusky and deep skin tones. And this is a neutral which has a lot of rosy tones to it, and I really like such lip shades a lot. Also, with this lipstick, you have to make sure that you're wearing a good layer of lip balm underneath. For some of you, it may be a little bit drying, but other than that, I feel absolutely comfortable wearing this lipstick because I am wearing a good layer of lip balm underneath. And this is just one single swipe, guys, and I absolutely love this color. It's such a beautiful lip shade, and I feel this is the kind of color which would go with a lot of color outfits, so you can definitely give this one a try. My next lip color is the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is in this shade Barely Nude. Now, this is one of those lip colors which is very unique. It's very different and something which I've rarely seen in the Indian market. It's such a unique color, guys. It's like those, tan nude shades, and I'm someone who loves to experiment with a lot of different lip shades. And the moment I tried this color, I was like, wow, it's such a unique shade, guys, and I'll definitely wear this color a lot. Again, this is the kind of color which you can wear with a like a heavy black smoky eye. I think this would look really perfect. And for my dusky and deeper skin beauties, I think you guys should definitely try out this color. We're done with the lip products. Now let's talk about some products for the eyes. The first makeup product for the eyes is a colored kajal, and I think every girl should have a colored kajal in her like kajal collection. And I'm someone who absolutely loves playing around with the eyes, and I really like to experiment with my eye makeup, and especially on the days when I feel like I don't have the time to put on eyeshadow and things like that. I do feel like adding a colored eyeshadow, and it just instantly adds a lot of color to my makeup, and my makeup also looks very different than my regular mascara days or my black kajal days. So this one is the Color Bar Just Smoky Kajal. It's in the shade Just Electra 007, and I think it's such a gorgeous color. You guys should definitely check this out. Again, this is the kind of color which would suit a lot of almost all Indian skin tone. And what I really like about this kajal is that it comes with a kajal on one side, and it also comes with a smudger. Now, I'm someone, I smudge my kajals every single time. I don't like that harsh kajal look on my eyes. Whether I'm wearing kajal on my lower lash line or upper lash line, I will always smudge it out, and it just gives a very beautiful smoky look. And I really appreciate when kajals come with this smudger. It makes it very easy to smudge the kajal instantly. So yeah, this is one product which I really like, and I think you girls should definitely try it out. My next product is one of my most favorite mascaras, and this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I don't even remember how many times I have used this particular mascara. This is the kind of mascara which makes sure that it stays on your lashes for literally all day. Trust me, I have worn this mascara for like hours and it hasn't disappointed me. It volumizes your lashes, it lengthens your lashes, it just sticks on your lashes all day. day. Although removing it might take some time, but honestly I don't complain because it just makes sure that my lashes are uplifted for hours. And this is such an affordable and I think a must have in every girl's makeup kit. On some days when I want those super fluttery lashes and I'm in no mood to wear false lashes, I go with at least 2 to 3 coats of this mascara and I get such beautiful like long lengthy lashes, and I absolutely love it. And if you haven't tried out this mascara, I think you should definitely try it out, and I'm so sure that you will love it. My next product are these gorgeous false lashes, and it's from the brand Kalilis. I am not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's their mink eyelashes, and we have a multi-pack over here, and we have these beautiful eyelashes in 3 different styles. I actually wanted the kind of lashes which are not very heavy and which give that fluttery look as well, and I feel these just fit perfect. And look at the 3 styles, guys. All 3 styles are so pretty. I'm so excited to try these out, guys, and I'll definitely be wearing them in my upcoming tutorials, so keep an eye. Also, a great thing about this multi-pack is that it comes with a lash glue. My next product is an eyeshadow palette, and this is the Makeup Revolution Tummy Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette, and the colors in this palette are so beautiful, and I think they are so apt for the wedding season. So this is how the colors in this palette look like, guys, and I feel like with these colors you have so many options, right? You have a beautiful mix of matte and shimmer shades, which I really like, and all of these colors in this palette are super pigmented, and whenever I feel like adding some color onto my eyelids, I do like to use this palette. In the Indian market, I know we don't have a lot of colorful palettes, and this you can definitely give it a shot. It's amazing, and all of these colors are really beautiful. You have reds, yellows, purples, pinks, mauves, and then you have like one jet black shade as well. You have green. So a lot of color options available in this palette, and I think this is such a great palette for the wedding season. Moving on to blushes, I have some really cool colors to share with you guys. The first one is the Miss Claire blush. This is in the shade 02, and this is how the color looks like. And I have 3 blushes to share with you guys today, and all 3 of them are very unique, very different from one another. And this is such a beautiful shade, guys. I feel like this shade has a lot of colors in it. It has red, it has pink, it has got those earthy tones as well, so it's a very unique blush. I've seen blushes which are more pink toned or red toned, or they would be more of earthy toned, but this one has a lot of shades to it, and I think this is the kind of color which would suit a lot of Indian skin tones, so you can definitely give this one a shot. I absolutely love this. This is how the swatch looks like, and while swatching it looks like more of a red toned blush. My next blush is a soft pink blush, and this is by Makeup Revolution. It's in the shade Ballerina, and I think this is the kind of blush which is not only perfect for the wedding season, it's also perfect for your daily wear, and it's such a beautiful, gorgeous, pretty pink color, and it looks very stunning when you wear it. Just a hint of it and you are good to go if you like natural looking blushes. If you want more prominent looking blushes, then you can definitely dab it 2 to 3 times and you'll be fine. And I quite like the texture of this blush. It's super stunning. Next up, we have My Glam K-Play Peach Blush, and this is in the shade Sweet Peach, and this is how it looks like. I told you guys all of the 3 shades I have are very different in color, and this is such a beautiful shade, guys. This is again the kind of blush which would suit a lot of Indian skin tones, but preferably it would suit my deeper and dusky skin beauties a lot. And again, the texture of this blush is so amazing. It's a proper matte blush, and it looks very stunning, very rich in quality, whenever you like dab it on your cheeks. I also have a couple of other My Glam blushes, and I feel like these are the kind of blushes which are very underrated. I've not seen a lot of people talk about these blushes, but they're very good in quality. Also, guys, just wanted to mention that the other 2 blushes do not come with a mirror, but this one does. So that's it for this video, guys. I had such a fun time filming this video because this had such a beautiful mix of so many different makeup products. So let me know in the comment section which product did you like the most, and all of the product links have been given in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Before you leave, please make sure that you like, share and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.